To clean all of the sensors in Dreame L10s Pro 2nd generation, first of all, let me show you what tools I'll be using. So here I have a Q-tips. There's also the cleaner. I prefer to use a cleaner without any acids. So in this case, it's just a cleaner for overall bathroom universal thing. Then we also have a cloth sheet so that we can wipe the sensors as well. So let's start on the bottom side of the robot, and that way we can find most of the sensors. There's 4 of them, and here, and here. We're gonna use the cloth sheet for that, so you can spray a bit of that cleaner onto the cloth sheet and then simply swipe on those sensors. You can fold it if you want. Just swipe on them until they are properly cleaned, and then you can use the dry end and just swipe them so that they don't have any residue. Okay, we can move to the front sensor. With the camera, you can see it right here. You can do the same step, just spray a bit of the cleaner and then wipe it so that it's properly cleaned. Then we can move to the lidar sensor, which is quite a bit more hard to access. So you can see the lidar right here. It has those gaps on the side. It also rotates, so that's why I'm gonna use the Q-tips. You can again spray some of the cleaner onto the one end of the Q-tip and just swipe it onto the sensor, and then you can use the other end to wipe it clean. Just make sure it's fully dry to not leave any stains, otherwise the sensors won't work properly. So that's how you can clean it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.